Welcome home to this beautiful property over here at 129 Deer Run Lane in this fabulous, super quiet neighborhood. This property has so much to offer and you really have to see it to believe it. On over an acre here and coming in at almost 4,000 square feet. And if you finish a little bit of some square footage, you'll be over 4,000 square feet on this massive property. Not to mention it has a brand new updated kitchen, master bath, and a fabulous pool area with a fiberglass pool that you'll never need to replace. So come on in and take a look at some of this house's fabulous highlights. Fabulous kitchen. Let me just fill you in on some other fun facts about this house. This property has already had a complete inspection already done on it, so you don't have to worry about what the as-is condition is. So I can shoot you over the full inspection report and just know that the plumbing, electrical, and all of that fun stuff is perfect. The roof is only about 5 to 8 years old, so no worries there either. And the seller is paying for a new HVAC system for this property. So all this property needs is a fresh coat of paint and a little bit of love. Possibilities for this house, so make sure you get this one while you can.